My washer makes a loud grinding noise during agitation. I've checked the washer washplate, the drive belt and the splutch, each is tight and appear undamaged. The agitator spins easily by hand, but makes a soft popping noise at the same time.
Is your washer top or front loading? How old is it?
Top loading. Model WTW4950HW1. Purchased in DEC 2018.
How long has this been going on with your washer? What have you tried so far?
About 2 weeks. When it first started, the wash plate was loose. I tightened it back down and the noise went away for a load or two, but then returned. Today I checked the belt and splutch, but they do not appear worn or broken. I did notice a little bit of oil under the belt cover.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Don't think so.
Hello, this is Mark. I'll be assisting you today. During this lockdown, I am not able to take a call, as I am working from home. If you would like a phone call, let me know and I can pass you on to another expert that might be available for a phone call. I do not send phone call requests, the site generates those automatically, so please ignore those requests. If you want a phone call, let me know, but please do not try to call me or accept the phone call requests. You will see them pop up. If you do not want a phone call, ignore them. Does the grinding sound like plastic gears grinding?
No, seems to be more metallic.
Can still be the main pulley. First thing I would check is the bottom drive pulley. There is a bolt in the middle of the main drive pulley. That can loosen and then the drive pulley does not make full contact with the gear above it, then there is a grinding noise that you will hear. If that main pulley bolt is tight and the pulley is tight, then the other cause is a faulty gear case. Here is a link to the diagram for the area. https://www.appliancepartspros.com/gearcase motor pump parts for Whirlpool WTW4950HW1.html. Part 9 is the pulley I mean. If you can lean back or tip back the washer and check this, that is the easiest way to tell if it's just the drive pulley bolt that is loose, or the gear case is faulty. Is the noise pretty consistent?
It is tight, both bolt and pulley.
Is the noise pretty consistent? Or does it come and go? Also, does it make this noise at all on spin cycle?
It is pretty consistent.
Can you listen a bit closer and see if it's coming from the bottom area primarily or the inside of the basket?
I'll go check.
Standing by.
To answer a previous question, it happens more consistently during agitation. However, we have noticed that it doesn't spin the clothes adequately and they are still sopping wet. The noise is more noticeable during agitation though. Per your last question, the noise comes from the bottom area.
That is likely a faulty gear case assembly. There is also a clutch between that pulley you checked and the gear case, that can be cracked or broken, but you would want to inspect that to see. If clutch is good, no cracks or anything broken, then you want to replace the gear case. Were you planning on repairing this yourself? Here is the part link in case you want to repair yourself. https://partster.com/part/w110357551 transmission. GCLID equals EACOBSHMI Spritz 6 Quivix 9 CH15 Jalia Asabeg JTGFD_Bwe.
Yeah, I'll do it myself. I had pulled the clutch assembly or splutch earlier. It was intact, no damage or cracks. I'll take a look at the gear case.
Okay. If the clutch/splutch looked good, then this is going to be a faulty gear case. There are gears inside the unit, and when it starts to go out, it will sound like metal grinding, and it can also affect the spin and agitation cycles a good deal. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask. I'd be more than happy to answer any other questions or clarify anything for you. Doesn't affect what you pay at all, just whether or not the site pays me for my time. You can give your rating by selecting one of the 5 stars located on the top right of the question page. Be safe and well.
Thank you for your help. I'll be sure to give 5 stars. Take care.
Thank you. Take care as well.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.